nation salutes the valor and sacrifices of India's defence forces, our honour, prestige and pride, with the same commitment to support this valor and sacrifice and to facilitate entrepreneurs' participation in service of the nation by strengthening the defence sector in India. The UP Defence Industrial Corridor is ready to shoulder partnership for development and responsibility for security of the nation.
अब ये तय किया गया है कि यूपी में डिफेंस इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर का विस्तार आगरा, अलीगढ़, लखनऊ, कानपुर, झांसी और चित्रकूट तक पूरा बेल्ट होगा। इस कॉरिडोर में 20,000 करोड़ रुपए के निवेश की संभावना है और ये करीब 2.5 लाख लोगों के लिए रोजगार के नए अवसर निर्माण करेगा।
The development of this corridor will attract an investment of approximately rupees 20,000 crores. This will create employment opportunities for almost 2.50 lakh people. This corridor offers diverse possibilities. The corridor will connect important cities like Aligarh, popular for world-famous metalwork, precision manufacturing; Kanpur, known for the world-class leather, textile and defense production units; Jhansi, known for repair and overhauling industry; Chitrakoot in Bundelkhand, land of woodcraft industry; and Agra, known for shoe industries and largest leather cluster in India. Uttar Pradesh is already known for various defense ordnance factories and defense PSU establishments such as OFB, HAL, BEL. Development of the UP Defence Industrial Corridor will further enhance its existing potential in order to make India self-reliant in defense production. Uttar Pradesh is the third largest economy of India and is already known for having the largest MSME base in the country. Along with the creation of the best and the fastest expressways and connectivity, creation of Bundelkhand Expressway, which will connect Agra, Jhansi and Chitrakoot, will be an epitome of infrastructure and synonymous to development.
देश के अंदर ही रक्षा आपूर्ति की और मेक इन इंडिया के उनके स्वप्न को साकार करने की दिशा में यह डिफेंस कॉरिडोर एक मील का पत्थर साबित हो।
To realize the dreams of Make in India and promotion of defense production within the country, Defense Industrial Corridor will prove to be a milestone and a facility to reckon with, which will carry Uttar Pradesh on the flight of economic and social upliftment and nation building. Ease of doing business has been crafted by drafting new defense and aerospace manufacturing and employment promotion policy 2018-2019, guidelines and land allotment procedures. In addition to this, a concerted effort is being made to create positive business ecosystem by encouraging trade investments through single window clearance system, facilitating land at lower cost for manufacturing and trade purposes, leveraging human resource by provision of skilled manpower, provision of tax holidays and concessions. As a result, the land parcel in Aligarh is already populated and land has been allotted to the respective investors, with further progression in other nodes. Uttar Pradesh is simultaneously working on these initiatives for making UP an all-encompassing defense hub, strengthening our nation's capabilities in defense sector and shaping a new India. Let's pave the path of opportunities in the defense sector. Together, the UP Defence Industrial Corridor, partnership for development, responsibility for security of the nation.